The Toppest reviews the best cordless upright vacuums for under $500. We review the best cordless upright vacuums under $500. Cordless vacuums are great for quick cleanups or light cleaning projects. Cordless vacuums are also great for small spaces like dorm rooms and apartments where you don't have room for a big vacuum or just don't want one. What kind of floors do you have? We've gathered the best cordless vacuums for every type of floor. For hardwood floors, you'll want a model with a motorized brush rod that can agitate dirt and dust from the surface of your floor. For tile, look for a vacuum with strong suction power and an easy-to-clean filter. Carpet needs something with powerful suction and variable speed settings to prevent excessive wear on your carpets while still getting them clean, while low-pile carpet is best served by something lightweight and easy to use. High-pile carpets need more suction power than what most cordless models offer, but there are some exceptions like this one here. The best cordless vacuums are great for quick cleanups. Number 1. Hoover 1 Power Evolve Pet Cordless Small Upright Vacuum Cleaner. You and your pets are a package deal, but that doesn't mean you have to live with the fur they leave behind. If you're seriously committed to keeping pet hair at bay, but want to avoid the mess of a big corded vacuum, the 1 Power Evolve Pet is a really good choice. This cordless vacuum is lightweight, easy to use and can handle both carpets and hardwood floors. It works just as well on hardwood floors as it does on carpets and rugs. The washable microfiber filter traps dirt, dust and pet hair. Number 2. Shark SV1106 Upright Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Shark SV1106 is a powerful and lightweight cordless stick vacuum that weighs less than 10 pounds. It is easy to maneuver with its swivel steering and its headlight that illuminates the area you are vacuuming. The dust cup has an extra large capacity which lets you vacuum for longer before you have to empty it. A 2-speed brush roll switch allows you to choose the best speed setting to suit your flooring choice. The swivel steering and the ability to clean under beds, furniture and corners make it a great choice for small spaces. Number 3. Bissell Powerglide Pet Slim Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Bissell Powerglide vacuum offers the best vacuum to clean up pet hair than with a vacuum that's specifically engineered for pet hair. This vacuum is also engineered with a swivel head that allows you to reach under furniture and other hard-to-reach places without having to move heavy furniture around. Not only does this vacuum clean up pet hair, it can pick up all kinds of dirt and debris you might find throughout your home. Check out thetoppest.com for additional reviews of the best cordless upright vacuums and for other types of vacuums we have reviewed.